Updating Instagram account for the new features is a pretty simple thing to do, and in this video I will be showing you how to get it. So I'm gonna tell you one thing. The Instagram it is updating the features for the accounts day by day, but as older your account is, it might take a little bit time to get the new updates. But if your account is very younger, it will get the updates earlier. But the other way is by simply installing the Instagram application and making sure that the app is up to date. So simply go ahead and open up the Play Store, and in the Play Store simply search up Instagram. So once you have done that, make sure that it's up to date and you are not using the Instagram Lite mode. So if your account is up to date and it's been updated, simply go ahead and open it up, and you will be able to get the latest features on your account by simply doing that. So these are some simple steps which can get you the best updates on your Instagram account. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.